I'm Maria Papakyriakou. I'm from Greece. I came here to do a master's degree on psychology and disability. I have already studied in my undergraduate degree psychology in Greece, and I came before 1 year in Manchester. I'm now at the end of my course, and I will leave at the end of June. I studied previously psychology in Greece at the Aristotle University of Thessaloniki. Before I came to England, I did 1 year preparation by myself in order to give TOEFL exams, but I didn't study anything on psychology in English. ELSIS is an English language service for international students, and it helps in improving our English language, and it involves lessons on academic writing, and it offers the possibility to the international students to check their assignments at the end of the year. The aspects of ELSIS that I found most useful were the academic expressions, like phrases for the introduction and the conclusion, and the checking of the assignment at the end. ELSIS helped my general English skills a lot because we did phrasal verbs and idiomatic expressions during the lessons, and the interaction with the other international students helped us see our weaknesses and our strengths. The best things about Manchester Metropolitan University are the library facilities, the internet facilities, the accommodation halls, the helpful staff, and meeting new people from other countries and being in Manchester.